Assalamualaikum students. This is lecture number 11 and part 2. In this lecture, I will tell you about, we will have a revision of the novel from examination point of view. इससे पहले हमने जो रिवीजन किया था उसका रिवीजन था, लेकिन अब ये एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से होगा और इसमें से आपको एक क्वेश्चन मिलेगा और इस तरह से आपके क्वेश्चन पूरे हो जाएंगे फ्रॉम एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. Already I have given you 4 questions and this will be the fifth question. तो लास्ट टाइम आपको क्वेश्चन दिया था पार्ट वन में, दैट वाज अबाउट 10 मार्क्स और ये है 15 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन और इस तरह से आप लोगों के 100 मार्क्स और 15 क्वेश्चन पूरे हो जाएंगे और फिर आपने इन सबको कंप्लीट करके you have to send it your all the assignments to me or to my email address before 24 of July. ठीक है, 24 जुलाई से पहले मैंने आपको मुझे भेजना होगा. आज के बाद हमारी एक और क्लास होगी जो वेंसडे को होगी, जिसमें जो रिवीजन, जिसमें तमाम जो भी हमारे हमने पढ़ा उसका रिवीजन होगा. इफ वी हैव एनी क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग दिस यू कैन आस्क मी इन दैट क्लास. सो लेट्स बिगिन. एज वी हैव रेड इन दिस नॉवेल, हमने जैसे कि इस नॉवेल में पढ़ा था कि इट इज़ अ नॉवेल दैट वाज रिटन बाय अ टर्किश राइटर और ये इतनी पुरानी नॉवेल नहीं है. It was just written 20 years back or 30 years back. It was first written in Turkish language because it was written by a Turkish writer. Later on, it was translated into English, into many languages, but it was translated into English in 1996. और फिर उसके बाद 2005 में इसको ट्रांसलेट किया गया जिसका वर्जन हमारे पास मौजूद है. It is a novel that deals with again human psychology. Here you will find certain elements very dominating. The character of Caleb is very important here. As the novel starts or begins, you will find here that Caleb's wife missing. She leaves her home और Caleb जो है उसको ढूंढने में लग जाता है. And for this purpose, he changes his identification. और इसके अलावा इसमें you will find the character of Jalal. ये एक फैमिली है जिसके नॉवेल जो है इट इज मूविंग ऑल अराउंड एंड Caleb is the most important character of this novel. Caleb is a lawyer living in Istanbul and he comes home from work to find his wife Roya has left him. जब वो घर आता तो पता चलता है कि उसकी वाइफ उसे छोड़कर जा चुकी होती है and he is very much disheartened by this act of his wife. और वो अपने घर वालों से ये नहीं कहता है कि उसकी वाइफ को छोड़कर जा चुकी है, बस यही remember that she is sick and she is in bed. And he says all this so convincingly that his family members believe that she is really sick. कुछ ये lines है जो highlight किए हुए हैं, so these lines have been highlighted so that you can read them and you can understand things in a proper manner, especially from examination point of view as well. Readers are not told who. आखिर में जब हम देखते हैं कि when Caleb finds his wife and his wife's half brother Jalal, उसको शक करता है कि कहीं इसकी वाइफ उसके साथ तो नहीं गई होती. So he finds both of them dead. Both have been both of Jalal and his wife both have been killed. No one knows who has killed them, but they are found dead. क्या है कि the author leaves it up to his reader to solve the mysteries of this fascinating novel. So as I told you, the 20th century novel is not easy to understand. It is something that deals with human psychology, and that is why it is called that the novels of 20th century are psychological novels. इसमें सिंपल आपको स्टोरी नहीं सुनने को मिलेगी, जिसमें आपको रोमांटिक स्टोरीज नहीं मिलेंगी जिस तरह से 19th सेंचुरी में होती थी. इसमें आपको रोमांस और इस तरह से सिंपल प्लॉट्स नहीं मिलेंगे, आपको कॉम्प्लेक्स प्लॉट मिलेंगे. You will never. It is difficult to understand what will happen to the end of the story, and unexpected things happen, and this is something that we have a complex plot. Gallup thinks about the detective stories that Roya reads. Roya जो थी वो detective stories पढ़ने का उसकी बहुत शौकीन थी. अगरचे गैलिप जो है इन चीज़ों को नापसंद करता था, but he knows about the format. That the detective will follow in order to solve the mystery. तो वो खुद फिर detective format को follow करता है in order to solve the mystery of his wife. Remember, Gallup is not happy with his profession. He doesn't want. He is a lawyer, but he's not happy at all with his profession. He wants to be a writer. And he likes the profession of Jalal. Jalal is 53 years old, a man who is very famous in his domain and who writes, you know, who is a journalist. Now, when Gallup, you know, detects or he works as a detective to find his wife, तो वो क्या करता है? He digs into Roya's past. वो रोया के पास में जाता है. He visits Roya's uh, ex-husband Siddharth, who used to be a militant leftist. इसी तरह से जब आप मजीद को देखेंगे, गैलिप कंक्लूड करता है that जलाल एंड रोया और हाइडिंग टुगेदर, यानी कि रोया की पहले भी शादी हो चुकी होती है, तो जलाल एंड रोया आर हाइडिंग टुगेदर. वो ये इसको महसूस होता है कि दोनों एक साथ छुपे हुए थे. And they both disappear on the same day and they have shared a close relationship all their lives. और ये भी करता है कि इनके बहुत क्लोज रिलेशनशिप रहे हैं. गैलिप को यही पता होता है कि गैलिप जो है जलाल जो है उसके साथ मेमोरी की प्रॉब्लम है. ही हैज मेमोरी लॉस प्रॉब्लम. सो इट इज़ अ शॉर्ट when this novel begins. So the husband Gallip is desperate for clues that he even designs to look inside the mystery books. He so despises for any signs of his wife's location. उसे इस दुनिया से भी नफरत हो जाती है. And he does not like things. He just wants to go after his wife. इस स्टोरी में आपको कन्वेंशनल मिस्ट्री स्टोरी आपको मिलेगी, यानी कि एक जो कन्वेंशनल स्टोरी मिस्ट्री स्टोरीज चलती हुई आ रही थी, इस तरह की स्टोरी आपको मिलेगी. But Orhan Pamuk, the author of this novel, develops this simple opening gambit are anything but conventional. और इसके अलावा इसके ये जो पैसेजेस हैं इनको भी आप लोग देखिएगा, इनसे भी आपको बहुत मदद मिलेगी रिगार्डिंग योर क्वेश्चन. सेटिंग इसकी बहुत है में यू कैन सी इन द सेटिंग इज इस्तांबुल, तुर्की. 1990s के दिनों की बात है. And there are discussions, especially in Jalal's newspapers columns, of other historical periods in Turkey. टर्की के दूसरे historical जो periods हैं उनकी बात हो रही है, places की बात हो रही है. So when you read these novels, you will also learn a lot about Turkey, about the places in Turkey, and also Turkey's some historical past. You'll find the remembrance of 1990s. बट जनरल टाइम फ्रेम इज 1 वीक. जो जनरल टाइम फ्रेम इसमें आपको नॉवल में मिलेगा वो सिर्फ एक हफ्ते का. मतलब एक ये दिस नॉवल इज अराउंड 1 वीक इन द 1990s में एक हफ्ता जो था वो उस एक हफ्ते की कहानी आपको इस नॉवल में मिलेगी. So when you read this novel in a detail, so you'll find a story about Istanbul as well. इस्तांबुल को पहले क्या कहा जाता था, अब क्या कहा जाता है. You'll find Istanbul's history, literature and culture. इसी तरह से जब हम थीम की बात करते हैं तो थीम में हमारे पास द क्वेश्चन ऑफ आइडेंटिटी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आइडेंटिटी पर बहुत आपको इसमें जोर मिलेगा. यू विल फाइंड द वेरी फर्स्ट पर्सन जो है वो गैलिप, the protagonist of the novel, he is not happy with his identity, and then you will find there are some other characters as well, and they are not happy with their identity. Everyone is influenced by his or her experience and the observation of others. हर एक दूसरे से मुतासिर है, उनको अपनी आइडेंटिटी अच्छी नहीं लगती. People take some aspects of someone they know and infuse them into their definition of self. So in his writing, Jalal states that people can only be themselves if they forget everything that they have ever learned or read. So the true identity of a person appears once it strips of all memory. तो मैं चाहूँगा कि इन लाइंस को आप हाईलाइट कर लें. So in his writing, yes, in his writing, Jalal states that people can only be themselves if they forget everything that they have ever learned or read. तो इसको भी आप देख लीजिएगा, इसमें भी you can get many things. So the question of identity includes the actions of Jalal, one of the main characters who uses many different pseudonyms. He reads constantly mostly histories of Turkey, but he also reads poetry and fictional stories from which he lifts material, rearranges it, and writes it in his newspaper column, and as if it is his own. इन्हीं के दूसरों की चीज़ें लेकर अपने इस पे मेंशन करता था. तो दिस इज हाउ ही चेंजेस द आइडेंटिटी, his own identity. He dresses in disguise when he goes out in public, not wanting anyone to recognize him, so he can more freely watch other people. Who is the real Jalal? When Jalal goes into hiding at the end of the novel, he is losing his memory. Jalal never actually appears in the novel except for when his murdered body is discovered. ये भी बहुत अहम नुक्ता है. Very important point that he never appears in the novel, though he's the third most important character, but he never appears in the novel, and he appears in the his dead body appears in the end. Then you'll find several characters. They are important. They all are not happy with their identity. Nationality is another aspect of identity. So you'll find that there are also some characters who are not happy with this identity. You will find here that storytelling is another aspect. The author makes the author makes readers look at the art of storytelling. For example, who is the narrator of this novel? Sometimes the narrator uses the personal pronoun I, and yet the narrator is never identified. The narrator, in other words, never provides any action. So identity and then narrators, storytelling. These are the themes which you have to keep in your mind when you do the answer of this question. Then list of characters. Characters you can find here. Gallup, who is the protagonist of the novel. He's a lawyer married to Roya, his cousin, Roya. And who is Roya? A mysterious and beautiful woman. She is Gallup's cousin and wife and Jalal's half sister. So second most important character, and then Jalal, third most important character. So newspaper columnist who is adored by his readers. He has disappeared at the beginning of the story and only retells the story through his columns and at the end when he has been shot. जब उसको गोली मार जाती है. He is Roya, half brother and Gallup's cousin. मैंने जैसे आपसे कहा कि ये सब एक दूसरे के रिश्तेदार होते हैं. And the novel begins when the main character of the story, Gallup, finds his wife not at home, and then he starts searching for his wife, and then the story begins. So throughout the story, this happens. In the end, he finds their dead bodies. So Roya and Jalal, they both do not appear throughout the novel, and in the end, their dead bodies appear. Wasif, Uncle Nelly, Aunt Susan, Aunt Hel, Jalal, these are all are the characters, sub-characters. Skandar, Mr. Sivan, Bilkis, Nihat, Mahir, Ikniki. जब हम कैरेक्टर एनालिसिस करेंगे तो हमें एनालिसिस डायरेक्ट को नहीं एनालाइज करना है, so we can only realize the main character Galip, and these are the analysis of his character. He's 33 years old and a bit bored with his law practice. He always longed to become a writer. When his he always longed to be a writer. When his cousin Jalal disappears, so Galip finds a chance to make his dream come true. अब ये देखें आइडेंटिटी कैसे वो अपने आप अपनी तब्दील करना चाहता है. सर आपके पास क्रिटिकल ओवरव्यू, यहाँ पर आपके पास कुछ क्रिटिकली आपको बताया गया, तो इट विल ऑल्सो डेवलप योर क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग. आप अपनी क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग इस तरीके से डेवलप कीजिएगा, राइट, एंड दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू गो ऑन विद योर वर्क. एंड फाइनली यू विल हैव दिस क्वेश्चन विच आई एम पोजिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. यू कैन सी फुल स्क्रीन में आप देखिएगा. लेट मी इसको सिंगल स्क्रीन करता हूँ. व्यू वन पेज, और इसमें लेकिन ये वन पेज नहीं होगा. ठीक है, दिस इज असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चन विच यू हैव टू डू. ये वो क्वेश्चन है जिसको आपने करना होगा, जिसका जवाब आपने लिखना होगा. राइट अ क्रिटिकल नोट ऑन द नॉवेल द ब्लैक बुक. आपने क्रिटिकल नोट इस नॉवेल पर लिखना होगा, क्रिटिकली आपने लिखना होगा, और ये तकरीबन 600 वर्ड्स का होना चाहिए फ्रॉम क्रिटिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. यानी कि आप जब इस नॉवेल को पढ़ेंगे, सो व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय दिस नॉवेल, theme, characters, plot, and the beginning, middle, and end. How do you find? What do you think with reference to the text? आपने इसको बयान करना होगा in your answer. So this will be of 15 marks. So write a critical note on the novel The Black Book. This is your fifth question which you have to do, and you have to submit all these 5 questions to me before 24. अब हमारे पास अगले मिस वेंसडे को हमारी क्लास होगी. वेंसडे मीन्स 15th of July we have a class in which we will have revision of all the writers which we have read from examination point of view. अगर आपको उसमें कोई सवाल पूछना हो, कोई चीज़ हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम हो आपको अपने काम में, तो आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. और ये एक क्लास होगी जिसमें हम सब जो भी हमने पढ़ा उन सब का रिवीजन करेंगे. ठीक है. With this, I would like to conclude my class, lecture 11, part 2. Inshallah, now we will meet on Wednesday with our last class. Thank you very much.